Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. Tab S10 FE Plus is a very good tablet. This tablet comes with massive display and it has Exynos 1580 processor. Multimedia consumption on this tablet is top notch. If you are someone who like to watch movies on tablets, in that case Tab S10 FE Plus will be a very good companion of yours. The color reproduction of this tablet is top notch, though it is not an AMOLED display. Samsung should have provided AMOLED display along with Tab S10 FE Plus. So in the display department, you will thoroughly enjoy the multimedia consumption, be it display or the stereo speakers that come along with this tablet. Even it comes with massive 10,000 plus mAh battery, so you will get enough battery. You can expect an SOT of 10 hours plus on a single charge. That is insane. However, the box doesn't include any charger, so you have to buy it separately. Tab S10 FE Plus comes with S Pen included in the box. It will make your writing experience better. Writing experience on Tab S10 FE Plus is equally good. If you are a student or a teacher, in that case you will have excellent experience of note taking. Plus the screen recording feature on Samsung tablets are very good. Whenever you start recording the screen, you can write anything on the screen. That is a very handy feature. As you can see here, you can enable writing and you can write on the screen while recording the screen. This feature will help the teachers to annotate or to dictate anything on their screen. Actually, I thoroughly enjoy this feature a lot. This feature is not available in iPads. So in the note-taking department and screen recording department, I think Samsung is way ahead than iPads. Also, Samsung Note app is very feature rich. You can make use of this Note app and you can write anything. There are lots of features that you can use. I have made dedicated videos on note-taking experience on Samsung tablets. So if you want interested to watch that video, you can watch those videos that will be available in the playlist. Now I will talk about the pricing. If you want to buy this tablet, the best price for this tablet is 42,000 to 43,000 rupees maximum. But currently the price of this tablet is very high, so you should wait for the price to decrease. I will let you know about the best price of this tablet when there is any sale, so wait for that video. So finally, in the conclusion, you should definitely buy Tab S10 FE Plus if you get this at around 42,000 rupees, but don't buy above 42,000 price bracket. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.